Okay, I got the backing plate now off. Now, I've got to disassemble the hub. It's from the old brake drum, which is held on with the wheel studs. I was watching another guy's channel, and he showed the best way to do this is taking, what you set up there, an air hammer, which, you know, coming in, hit it here, but he went one better. Should get a socket set on there, and by doing that, it keeps the bit from walking around and coming off the stud. So, as you see, 2 popped right out. I've got 6 more to go. I'll run you back when we get to the next step. Okay. I'm going to run you back. I'm going to try something I hadn't done before. I've got to get the bearing and the race out from inside here, along with the new seal. I'm going to try my... Well, got a seal out, or not seal, but the race out. I'll be doing that from now on. So I got it set in here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. With the adapter. It's supposed to set down right on there. But as you can see, it doesn't. So what I'll do is I'll go in on this edge here and open it up to where it'll go down and set it around that. What I did earlier, and you can see there's aluminum from where I did it the first time. I just come in Measured it's 500, about 5 inches, 300, and this says 15 thousandths. I think I want a little bit more on the other one. As you can tell, look in here. It's not a lot that's got to come out, but it's enough. So I come back in here, caliper out of the way. Cut my light back, cut my power back on, once you cut my light back on. Yeah, I'm going to have to change it out for my magnetic base, so let me cut you off and bring you back. Well, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Got it tightened down, got it slid up, using the 3-jaw chuck here to set it up. I'm about a half thousandths to thousandths out. It jumps a little bit. This surface isn't the best that I'm indicating off of, but it'll work. I'll get something back around here. Move the indicator behind it. That wasn't good. I just run into the chuck jaws. Ooh. Okay, check and see what depth I need on that again, since I forgot since yesterday. Okay, I need to be in about 425 thousandths from the outside edge, which, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell on the shiny part there, I'm well past that 425 thousandths. I'm going to go back and check one other thing again, since I... Yeah, that's still good. Okay. There was the high spot. There's the low spot, so let's see. Whoop, high spot, low spot, and I hit it the wrong way. It's pretty much what it is there. I mean, I indicated it in on this surface, so. As I'm doing this, I'm able to watch the lines where I'm cutting. As it goes in. And I'm taking about 10 thousandths cut off. See, I'm throwing a nice little chip here. Now, I could use automatic feed with this, but there's no more than I'm going in. I can just do it by hand. And this doesn't have to be precision because the rotor now actually locates off of the wheel studs. I had to do the same thing to the other side. I also had to do it on the front adapters when I put them on the hubs up there, which if I've got a set of hubs for the rotors for disc brake front instead of drum brake, I wouldn't have had to use the spacer. Now I could just use factory rotors and all. But the calipers and all I got come off an F-250 single rear wheel truck. So the dual rear wheels and the single rear wheels use a different setup. Now I said I needed 5 inches, 320 thousandths. So And I'll just come in here. As you can see, I still got a little ways to go. Make sure my measurement's still right in my head. Which it is. So I'll gonna catch you off and I'll bring you back when I get finished with this. Okay, I went a little past what it needed to be, but I'm like 5 inches, 360 thousandths. So I'm about 35 thousandths more than I need to be, but that'll just, if in case there's any flaws in there that I didn't see, it'll give me a little more room. Makes it easier to get the studs to line up. We'll go back over here, cross all my junk in the floor, and we'll take this, and you see, it sits down on there nice and flat now. Now, the next thing I'll be doing, is you see this flat lip on here, it's got to, that lips sets in this knurling right here, or knurling, however how you say it, it's supposed to come in here and catch inside the hub, which is what holds it. Well, when you drop it through, it doesn't even come through all the way. So I end up taking this over to my drill press with one of the studs. If you build a garage, whatever you think you need, build it twice as big. Okay, set you right here for a second. And this goes in right in here, cuts out this concave portion, and will take it down flat to where that will set down in there deeper. I don't have any exact measurements that I set it at. I just kind of go by eyeball till I like how it sits. And this is set up on a Morse taper. And now I cannot remember if I think this is number 1 Morse taper. Might be a number 2. I can't remember. So it just goes up in there and locks. Okay. I am missing. Well, there it is. Got a block of wood here where I just don't have to adjust the throw up and down that I set this up on. I'll go ahead before I start, come down, line it up. Of course, plug the drill up because I was using the grinder yesterday on another part of it. And I pretty well know where I stopped at yesterday. So again, that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if you can tell. See, it's now got a little lip in there. And that goes and sets in there flush. And I can start seeing the splines. Now the wheel stud is still setting up out some because it's a press fit into the adapter, which is what I want. So I'm going to get off here, do 8 more of these, and then I'll bring you back in a little bit. Well, I saved you from watching me put the new docket bearing races in, new seal, and cutting the bracket off to where I can wheel. I've still got to go back in there and clean that up. But right now I'm going to take and quickly put the adapter ring on the hub and drive it back in with my air hammer. Okay, got it set up on here. All the studs are in place. What I'll do is I'll take the hammer and just go over. Now these aren't fully seated. I'll be going back, of course hitting the rest of them, but I don't think you want to sit here and listen to this air hammer or watch me get them all put in. So I'll bring you back when I get done. Okay, got the adapter on. Got the rotor sitting on the back. I put blue Loctite on these. What I'll do is I'm going to take a 3/4 impact gun and run them all down. The back side here is concave, where it will line this rotor up on the studs as you do it. So around here, let's see, I better change direction since I've been using that to take things off. Going in a cross pattern. Kind of hard to hold a camera and run the gun at the same time. So now I go on around and I'll hit them real good, tighten them down some more, make sure I get them good, good and tight, and then this will be ready to put on to start setting up for the where the bracket goes.